Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mon and today we are doing an extreme balcony makeover. We are going to make my small balcony super cozy on a really tight budget, so stay with me as we make it pretty step by step. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click that like button. My balcony is a real disaster at the moment. I'm not really using it throughout the cold season, so it really gets pretty messy. You can actually see my balcony throughout the huge windows from my living room, so we have to clean everything today. Also, I don't have plants since they've been slowly dying on me, which is completely my fault, so we are addressing those too. Our plan for the day is to clean it first and then decide on a different layout and make it super cozy and warm and cute. But before we start with a makeover, we are cleaning everything first, from floors to ceiling to windows, all of it. So let's get going. This furniture is a DIY my dad made a few years back and it has seen better days for sure. However, it means a lot to me, so we will make it work. As you can see, I decided to try out a different layout since I think that this way the balcony will feel more airy and more spacious. And I'm also adding an extra seat. I randomly found this and it just fits the vibe so perfect. I also made cushions and soup covers for them last year, so I'm bringing those in. I didn't have the best sewing skills back then, as you can see. Also, we are adding lots and lots of cushions and throw pillows, all white and beige of course. And of course, I'm adding this jute rug to make things super cozy and add some extra texture. Now, I'll be honest, I didn't want to spend too much money on this makeover, so I decided to work with what I already have. Partially because I just wanted to show you that anyone can do it with things you already have. And that's the case with these two side tables. These are DIYs I actually made a while back, but never found the right place for them. Maybe I should spray paint this one black? Just a thought, let me know what you think in the comment section below. There was never a light fixture here, so today we are doing one using a plastic plant pot. I just made a hole inside it using whatever I had on hand, so don't follow my steps on this one. and please stay safe when doing this, safety glasses and all. The idea is to hang it using wooden dowels and hot glue, and here's exactly how I did that. Now let's head on to plants. I got these from the market, so we're planting them in some pots I already had. Also, we are spray painting some plant hangers. I'm just all over the place right now. The thing about me is that I'm a great dog mom, but I'm an absolute disastrous plant mom. So I went to the market and asked for the most badass plants that can handle my irresponsibility. And that's how I ended up with these beauties. Oh my god, they look so good. Please, please stay alive. And here's me covering the AC drainage with a poof for Mars. He just loves to sit here and watch the neighborhood. And of course, we are hanging some lights to make it super cozy and get that Pinterest vibe. I just love this. And finally, I'm doing some final touches before the reveal, so just sit down and enjoy. Are you ready to remember how my balcony looked like before? A real nightmare, if you ask me. And here it is how it looks like now. I'm beyond happy with how this turned out. I just can't wait to sit here with Mars and sip some wine while he gets obsessed with the bees. I really hope you enjoyed my small balcony makeover. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click that like button and let me know in the comment section below. Till next time, designers!